Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's walk through how to download and install SQL Server step by step. First, go to your web browser and type SQL Server download. Click on the official Microsoft SQL Server link from the search results. On the page, you will see multiple options, but for individual user, the best choice is SQL Server Express. Click on the Download Express button and the file will start downloading. As you can see, once the downloading is completed, you will see a setup pop-up. Select basic from all of these three options, installation mode, and the SQL Server Express will begin installing automatically. After that, you will also need SSMS SQL Server Management Studio that will help you to run your scripts in SQL Server. So to manage your databases and all connections, click on the SSMS download button and it will redirect you to download it directly. Now everything you need is being installed on your local machine. So here my SQL Server and SSMS are fully set up and I've connected them successfully on my local machine. Let's create our first database together. Go to new query and type create database MyDB and select the whole script and hit on the execute button, and here you can see the command completed successfully. So our SQL database is now created. Here you go, you have created your first database in SQL Server. Thanks for watching.